Hello everyone, we'll solve now problem 25, page 81 in two separate videos. In the first video we'll solve parts A, B, C, and in the second video we'll solve parts D and E. Suppose that Intel currently is selling at $40 per share. You buy 500 shares, so here we have a buy transaction using $15,000 of your own money and borrowing the remainder from the purchase price from your broker. The rate on the margin loan is 8%, which is the interest rate. So here, I'll buy 500 shares, which is the quantity, price $40 per share, so the value at time 0, 500 times 40 equal $20,000, out of which the initial investment or equity $15,000, so borrowings equal V0 minus initial equity equal $5,000 at an interest rate R equal 8%. Part A. What is the percentage increase in the net worth of your brokerage account if the price of Intel immediately changes to first part $44, second $40, and third $36? So here we have to pay attention for the word immediately. Immediately means we have to ignore the interest. No interest expense here. What is the percentage increase in your net worth? So in other words, it's required to compute the rate of return. Part A, rate of return, immediately means no interest. The formula for the rate of return ROR equal value QP minus borrowings over initial investment minus 1. First, P equal price equal $44 per share, so ROR equal 500 shares times 44 minus borrowings $5,000 over the initial investment $15,000 minus 1, and the answer is 13.33%. Part 2, if P price is $40, then rate of return also 500 QP 500 P 40 minus borrowings 5,000 over initial investment 15,000 minus 1, so the rate of return is 0%. 3. P equal $36, then the rate of return is Q 500 times 36 minus borrowings 5,000 over $15,000 initial investment minus 1, and the rate of return is minus 13.33%, which is a loss. Second part of the question, what is the relationship between the percentage return and the percent change in price of Intel? Percent return is percent change in price times V0 over initial equity. You can apply it to any of the three parts. Part B, on the next page, page 82. If the maintenance margin is 25%, how low can Intel price fall before you get a margin call? So here we'll assume it is an immediate fall. Maintenance margin 25%. The formula to compute the price, maintenance margin equal QP minus borrowings over QP. So 25% equal 500P minus 5,000 over 500P. Cross multiplication, 25% times 500, 125P equal 500P minus 25,000, and at a price of $13.33 per share and below, the investor will get a margin call. Part C. What would your answer to be changed if you had financed the initial purchase with only $10,000 of your own money. So the initial investment or equity is 10,000 instead of 15,000 in the previous given. The value of the stocks, value of the shares is 20,000. So the amount of borrowings is 20,000 minus 10,000. It will become $10,000. So same formula, maintenance margin 25% equal 500p minus, the only thing that will change is the borrowing amount, $10,000 over 500p implies that 125p equal 500p minus 10,000 and p equal $26.67. So at a price of $26.67 and below, the investor will receive a margin call. So the remaining parts will be explained in another video. Thank you very much.